97. 97 years young. What do I do for Schnucks? I do bagging. I enjoy it, and it keeps me going. That's the main thing. And like I say, they treat me real well here. They really do. I like to come here. There's some people here that come here for entertainment, and we joke around and have a good time. I think that's good for this store and what have you. I'm very proud of it. There was a lady here, a customer, that knew me and all, and I was wearing a hat from World War II and all. And she asked me about the honor flight, and that's how I got started. And I was one of the few World War II veterans. Yeah, I got to see all the memorials in Washington, D.C. and all. Real nice. Had a good time. It didn't feel any different, 97 from 90. Same thing, I'm still around, happy to be around. That's what people ask me, when are you gonna quit? I say, I don't know. I can't tell you because I don't know. That's all I tell them. And they say, well, keep it up. That's their ending words, keep it up. And that's what I'm doing. Staying here for a while.